Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how to make a easy crochet heart. So for this we will need a yarn. You can take any color of your choice. I have used 4 ply yarn and 3.5 mm
First
hook.
we need
So
to make
let's
a
begin.
magic ring and then 6 single crochet. Now we have to make double crochet from each stitch of round 1. Total 12 single crochet. Now for round 3 we need to make 2 single crochet from each stitch first, and then for the next single stitch we will make 1 single crochet, and again in alternate manner we will make 2 single crochet from one stitch, and from the next stitch again 1 single crochet. In this way it will increase to 18 from 12 single crochet. For round 4 and 5 we have to make 1 single crochet from each stitch. So in the same way we have to make 2 of them and then we will join it. Now insert the hook from that loop and then yarn over. Now start making 15 single crochet from there. Next until the third stitch from the last stitch, so leave 2 stitches so that you have a total of 16 single crochet. In the same way leave last 2 stitches and again make round 2 of single crochet, 16 single crochet, and so total 32. Repeat the same for round 3 and 4. Now for round 5, 2 single crochet, 2 decrease, and then 12 single crochet, again 2 decrease and 6 single crochet. Next round 5 single crochet, 2 decrease, 10 single crochet, 2 decrease, 5 single crochet. Then next round 4 single crochet, 2 decrease, 8 single crochet, 2 decrease, 4 single crochet. Now in the same way keep on decreasing and then put some fiber fill. Then make 2 single crochet, 2 decrease, 4 single crochet, again 2 decrease and 1 single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet, 2 decrease, 1 single crochet, 2 decrease. Then keep on decreasing until and unless you get the shape of a sharp end or peak like structure. Now make a knot and secure your yarn. Now your heart is almost ready, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more such ideas and tutorials. Thanks for watching.